want an affordable subscription box. I really want to try that, but it's too expensive. I just want to have beauty that doesn't cost an arm and a leg. You guys, I got you. The Walmart beauty box is here. Hey, beautifuls. Welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Lately, I've been hearing you guys that you are looking for affordable subscription boxes. This theme has been coming up on almost every video that I've been putting up lately. And I really do think that's a testament to just how tight it is right now financially with everyone. So this beauty box I think is going to be perfect for a lot of my viewers. This is a quarterly subscription box presented by Walmart. This box retails for only $6.98, you guys. It's less than $7. So of course, if you guys are interested in this subscription, I will be posting a link down below for you and you can check this one out. This box is quarterly, which means it ships out every 3 months. Now this box will feature anything from the Walmart beauty department. And I say department because this is not a makeup only, skincare only subscription box. It can be anything from that entire beauty department. So when you think about that, it could mean hair accessories, there could be toothpaste in there. I mean, there could be body care. It could be anything and everything in the Walmart beauty department could be inside of this box. So like I mentioned, the fall subscription box is currently shipping. You'll notice that my box is variation 4. So you'll see that here with V4. Each of these boxes could vary from person to person. So if you get variation 4, we will have the same box. But then again, you could have something totally different than me. But in my experience, this box is typically worth it because it is such a low price point. So inside of our box, we do have a bright orange greeting. I wish the whole box would have been orange. Honestly, you guys, like, I like the pink, but you know what? I think it should have all just been orange. So this booklet will tell you about some of the products that are available this fall season. It doesn't necessarily mean you're going to receive all of these products or any of these products, but these are some of the items that could be in the fall boxes. So it says these are going to be your next obsessions, and they have in here a bunch of different things. There's a Degree travel-sized dry spray deodorant. There's also a firming eye cream. There's a Covergirl product in here. It looks like a lash liner. Yeah, it says lash line, so it looks like you're gonna have an eyeliner. There's a NYX plumping lip gloss. We also have some hair care in here, a mascara. So honestly, lots of options available for this fall. I think all of these would be awesome to get, you guys. Like, I don't think there's anything in here that I'm going, oh, that's terrible. I hope that's not in my box. Like, I would take any of these. What? Okay, so case in point. Shut up! Did we get a full-size product? So, you guys, I've never had a product so big before in this box. Now, it's always exciting getting full-size products in here, but I will warn you, that is not a promise. It's not a guarantee. It is a maybe. You might get it and you might not get it, but when you do, it's freaking amazing. So this is from Sunday. It is called the Whipped Shower Foam, and it is scented as passion fruit pop. So it's 8.9 ounces. I think that means it's full size, right? So it's an aerosol can. I do love that it's kind of got this like whipped topping look up here for the cap, but this is what it looks like here. I'm not familiar with this brand or this product, but it says if you feel like you're stuck on rinse and repeat, add some passion to your shower routine with this product. It's tangy, tropical, and fresh. This foam will make your shower pop. So it does have instructions on how to use this product, because literally right now I'm going, okay, how do I incorporate a foam? Because I've never had a foam in the shower before. So step 1 is get wet. You expected that one. It actually says that. Step 2, Sunday is best served upside down. So give it a good shake. Turn your bottle upside down and spray a dollop into the palm of your hand. Then lather it up with your flavor of choice. We recommend stepping out from under the water for this one. Then once you're covered, jump up back under the water and rinse off and admire your silky smooth skin afterwards. Okay, so it's just a whipped like shower gel, but it's not a gel formula at all. So it sounds simple enough. I mean, I've never had a foaming product before, so that's different. So, oh my gosh, it looks like whipped cream, you guys. But that's the idea, is you're gonna shake it up and then this is gonna be your cleansing product. I just can't believe we got a full-size product, you guys. So this retails for $15.98 at Walmart if you want to go purchase it. So do you know what that means? This means that not only did it pay for your box, it basically paid for 2 of your boxes. Next item that I have in here is a fragrance sample. This is from Nautica, and the fragrance name is Blue. So this one is an aquatic woody fragrance for him. So that's interesting. They included a sample in here for men. Typically, I don't think, you guys, I've ever had anything for guys in this box. Like, usually everything is for women. So it's not a bad thing. I mean, I am married. He'll use this, but I am just a little surprised, I guess, because I've not really seen anything for men in here before. So this one, I'm going to see what this smells like. It does have a spritzer on here. Let's see. Oh, it is woody. This is perfect for fall and winter vibes. I'm definitely getting like a musky, woodsy note. So it does smell really good. I don't think this is terrible, but you know, it is definitely a small fragrance sample. The next item that we have in here today is from Olay. This is a cleansing melt. So this is a water-activated daily facial cleanser with vitamin C. There are 4 dissolving pads inside of this sample here. So this is a new product from Olay, and I believe, if I understand it correctly, these pads are super absorbent, and you'll put them underwater and then it will expand to a much larger pad, and then you're able to use it as a facial cleanser. And in this case, it has the vitamin C, which will brighten your skin, but it will help to remove like makeup and dirt and oils. But because it's so small and convenient to take with you on the go, that's the appeal of it. But these are supposed to expand to like 20 times their size, you guys. Like, it gets really big. So that's my understanding with this product. Now, I've seen other brands do this. I just have not used Olay's version. So this one is $9.88 at Walmart for a 32 count. We have 4 though here today. It says that this one is going to give you a rich lather to clean, tone, and refresh your skin. And it looks like this is something you can use every day and it won't strip your skin either. I see what they're doing here, you guys. I got a huge full-size product, so of course they're gonna give me the really little samples to go along with it. What do you wanna bet? The other boxes that don't have this full-size product, I'm guessing are a little bit more even. Like, they're all about the same sizes, kind of middle of the road. But it kind of makes sense. Like, they're already giving me a $15 product. I get why they're going with little samples now. So last item inside of my box today is from Covergirl. So we did get the liner in here. This is a brand new product to market, and I think it's full size again, you guys. So it's their micro eye pencil, and it is in the black shade. It's designed for that waterline, so it can get really close in that eye area in here. So you can actually go up in here on that waterline with this product. So it is a really thin micro tip. You'll notice that here, that it's a 1.5 millimeter. It's designed to be small, specifically to be close to your eye. So this is as close as you could get to your eye to give yourself some black liner. It is waterproof, which typically it needs to be if you're going to be that close to your waterline. It also says that it's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's ultra-precise, highly pigmented, all-day wear, and transfer-proof. So being that this is full size, this retails for $7.98. So again, this just paid for my box, you guys. Well, holy bananas, you guys. I love variation 4. So that is everything for today's unboxing from Walmart. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this box, but I love it. Now, I will tell you, typically we receive more than 4 items inside of this box. So if you purchase this, if you decide to buy this box, usually we have more products than this. But I honestly think because they were so generous with this product that they knew in this variation, we're not going to give as many products and they're going to be a little bit smaller than usual as well. So I'm not mad at it because this product is insane that I even got it. So if you guys are interested in this box, like I said, I've got a link down below for you. You're not able to choose your variation. You will just be surprised. I hope that all of the other boxes out there are as equally as good as this. Based off of this card, like I said, they all look really good. There's a full-size deodorant in here, it says. There's also a full-size hair mask, the eye cream in here, a mascara. So I would assume this is gonna be a really good season. So I definitely think it would be worth getting this fall season. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!